esports even give him that opportunity as they start to filter their way onto the bomb site all together. They're peeking the wrong angles. coldzera has a chance now. Two have fallen.
The Fortnite World Cup Finals ends right here. The biggest day of their entire lives. 100 players, the battle bus is loaded. It is time. Shots coming in. No elimination yet for the first game victory royale. Oh my gosh.
This is a loser's match. Oh, yo! Recently sponsored Echo Fox's Harada. Yeah, we switched it up. You were right. Fang playing the Harada. Or playing the Harada playing the Fang. No, Fang's playing the Harada. Trust. Oh! Reject. Oh, he knows it. No! Oh, man. Gets a little down back.
The leap does not get on tower, but the pressure is on WEDGM.
Very healthy. WEDGM is gonna do it.
There you have it.
Nova drops the 2v2 set after an incredible start. LCOP screaming back into this. Bomb Tower still pulls those wall breakers, and that is going to be it. Nova, your world champions, will not be hoisting that trophy at the end of the day.
They're falling.
We are thinking around. Dearborn down.